Welcome to our online lecture course on relational databases and SQL. In this introductory video, I'll briefly explain what relational databases are, their many uses, and why they're crucial for numerous applications. I'll also talk about their fascinating history. Relational databases are the backbone of many industries today, from finance and healthcare to e-commerce and social media. They play a vital role in organizing, storage, and managing data, allowing businesses and all kinds of organizations to make data-driven decisions and efficiently operate their services. At their core, relational databases store data in a bunch of tables, which consist of rows and columns of information. These tables are interrelated, allowing for easy retrieval and manipulation of information in complex ways. Because of their versatile nature, relational databases are used in a wide variety of applications, including inventory management, customer relationship management, and human resources. They power websites, mobile apps, and all kinds of software systems that we use on a daily basis. Relational databases have a rich history, though, dating back to the 1970s. Dr. Edgar F. Codd, a computer scientist working at IBM, pioneered the concept of relational databases and laid the foundations for how we store and manage data today. Dr. Codd's revolutionary ideas led to the development of SQL, Structured Query Language, which is a standardized language for interacting with relational databases. SQL is now widely used and supported by a whole variety of relational database systems. First, let's take a closer look at the history of relational databases, starting from the theoretical work of Dr. Codd in the 1970s and leading up to the present day. Dr. Codd, a computer scientist working at IBM, introduced the concept of relational databases in 1970 with his groundbreaking paper, A Relational Model of Data for Large Shared Data Banks. His work revolutionized the way that we store and manage data by proposing a systematic and mathematical approach to organizing data. The core of Dr. Codd's relational model was the idea of organizing data in tables with rows and columns, which he referred to as relations. He also introduced a set of rules known as Codd's 12 rules that define the properties that a truly relational database system needs to have. Now, shortly after Dr. Codd's revolutionary paper, IBM developed the first implementation of SQL, Structured Query Language, as a means to interact with relational databases. By the late 1970s and early 1980s, companies like Oracle, IBM, and Microsoft began developing their own relational database management systems, also called RDBMSs, each one with its own implementation of the same language, SQL. Over the years, relational databases continue to evolve, giving rise to various RDBMSs like Oracle Database, MySQL, Postgres, and Microsoft SQL Server. Each system has unique features and capabilities, but all of them adhere to the fundamental principles established in 1970 by Dr. Codd. Now, in recent years, the adoption of web and cloud-based services has further expanded the capabilities and reach of relational databases. Cloud-based database systems like Amazon RDS, Microsoft Azure SQL Database, and Google Cloud SQL have become popular choices for managing databases in a scalable, distributed, and cost-effective manner. As we continue to generate more and more data and rely on data-driven applications for almost everything, relational databases remain a cornerstone of modern information technology. From their inception back in the 1970s, all the way to the cloud-based systems we use today, relational databases have shaped the way that we store, manage, and interact with data. Throughout this course, we are going to dive deeper and deeper into relational databases and SQL, exploring their inner workings, learning how to create and manage tables, and understand how to query and manipulate data. By the end of this course, you will be well equipped to work with relational databases in various applications. Thank you for joining me in this introductory video. I'll see you in the next lecture, where we'll begin our exploration of relational databases and SQL.